Right then, where are we going to put this? I can't wait to get more wood chips next year, get all this covered properly, and then I can start planting things. Yeah, it'd be nice. It'd be nice. Get all wood chips up there as well. That'd be nice, won't it? I was thinking last night about reconfiguring this a little bit. And oh, that just got caught. What's that doing there then? But thought about smashing this bed up because this fella's getting quite big. Can you see? It needs to come out of that pot. So I thought I could just put it there. But then I thought I kind of like that bed. So what I might do is shorten it. But then I've got rhubarb in it. I don't know. Oh look! This was meant to flower last year. It's starting to flower now. So I'm going to get some broccoli out of you. Is that purple sprouting broccoli? Well, who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Just toss that bag aside. All those white bits are the remains of these fat balls. Wow, I put a lot out 2 days ago, so I finished those. So where are we going to put this camera then? I'm gonna find something that will keep my plastic down in the wind, and I'm gonna find somewhere to put this. Okay, so I've put a few more suet balls out, and look at this little thing I spotted on my elder tree. Oh, that needs sorting out, doesn't it? So you have to keep in mind that I grew these trees from seed. Can you see? And so it's formed this bit here. Anyway, so there's loads of stuff down for them now. The camera is there. I don't know what's going on with it because I don't know it that well. So I guess just wait and see.